Thinking about starting a website but don't want to spend too much? Then listen to this. If you are a beginner, Hostinger is the one of the best hosting options for you. It's affordable, fast and very easy to use. Even if this is your first website, you can set up everything in just few clicks. Their control panel is simple and beginner friendly. You still get all the important features: fast servers, free SSL for securities, backups and 24 by 7 support. Your website stays safe, smooth and online all the time. Hostinger also use high-speed servers so your site loads quickly, which is greater for visitor and search engine. Now let's talk about saving money. Use my affiliate link in the description. Go to the Hostinger. At checkout, you will see the box for coupon code. Enter HA10 coupon code, click apply and your price will drop instantly. Yes, coupon code HA10 gives your extra discount. So don't pay full price. Click the link in the description, use code HA10 and start your website today.